guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, I'm Lexi Nardoni and we are here for another LA vlog. I did film a couple days ago and I wanted to include it in this video. So first we're gonna go back to the beach day I had the other day. We're back, I guess, at my now favorite beach, Rincon, and I got my boys, just two. Just a nice, relaxing day after taking some content. These fashion girlies are really, you know, it is a job. It's a lot of work. And now you guys are back, and today we are going to the LA flower market. So let's get going. I am at my friend Shirley's house and we're about to head out. Where is it? Minion vibes. We made it to LA. We actually invited Sunny, so he's gonna come meet us down here, right, Charlize? Unfortunately. Charlize, come! I want to take a video. Sunday!
But I was. No, look at this color. This is a good
Wow.
That's the only way I know how to hold it.
I can't wait to give these to my mommy. So we finished at the flower mart. I showed you the flowers I think I got. Anyway, you'll see them later. And Charlize and I are gonna go eat lunch at this vegan place called...
It's called the Yugo Kitchen.
Okay. We're excited. We've never tried it. Sunny had to go home.
Boo.
Boo. So I'm back now from LA, so I think we're gonna sign off here and you'll see me tomorrow. Today is the last day. I am vlogging, going to LA. Once again, another LA trip. I go to LA a lot because my best friend Sunny lives down there and that's who I'm visiting. I'm gonna go down there and have a happy hour with him. We might go out, maybe. Don't know yet. I packed just in case. But yeah, let's get going to LA.
Outside of the massage bed, so like trying to talk with my face like all bubbled like this,
Okay, we're at a cute little French place. We're gonna have dinner and maybe a drink. Look at Sunny. He's so cute. I'm back home with Gatsby. And I made it home safe. This was a really fun couple days this past week of filming. I hope you guys enjoyed. We literally went from 80 degrees to it raining today. Crazy. California has crazy weather. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and want to stay tuned for some more vlogs. Make sure to check them out and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.